If you're still tired even after you've rested, this explains it. You're not lazy, broken, or doing life wrong. Your brain is simply overloaded and not tired. But here's a fix. That's good. When I'm feeling overloaded, this is what works for me. I like to get out of my house, go down to the local park by my house. If you have a local park by your house or a trail, do the same, and it just changes the environment. And I like to bring some snacks because there's something about eating snacks that you normally have at your house, but you're doing it outdoors. It just takes your mind, and for me, I focus on that, and it helps me just de-stress and not focus on all of the other sensory overload within the house, from commercials to, is the house dirty, it's decluttered, just so much stuff kind of hitting me. Now I come out here, I can focus on things of distance where it's just not right up in my face. And I can peer through the fence here and just kind of take notice of things. So I'll have another chip. Just chill. I see all kinds of people walking around here. Kind of just look at them, although I don't want people near me. I often hear, hey, live in the moment. That's kind of hard to do when you're constantly thinking about other stuff, your job, family, issues, whatever. Your mind's just constantly going and going and going, even when you're resting. So you can sit down and rest, watching football or basketball, and guess what? Your mind's still just engaged with all of the issues and problems that you have going on in your life. So stick to simple things though, and that'll help you deter, like little just micro instances of your brain being focused in the moment. Case in point, I'm gonna peel an orange, as simple as that, and I'm just gonna really get into the moment, focus in on it, and I am gonna peel the best orange in the world right now. Let's do it. Let me see if I can get this in a larger chunk here. Look at that. So easy to peel. There we go. Look at that. Oh, that's perfect. Although I don't want all of this stuff here. And I'm not going to be focused on too many decisions right now, but I do want a nice orange to eat. I'm not focusing on all of these need to be even and perfect. I don't care. I'm just going to break it. That was actually 2 and 2. Some of them, if it was 3, actually that is 3, but who gives a shit? It's a damn good orange. Ooh, that's tangy. And the texture, you have like these little cells in there, right? These little pockets. As you bite into them, they just kind of burst in your mouth. Explosion of flavor, baby. I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna go check out that little area there while I eat my orange. That was good. So, if you notice what I was doing, I was into the moment, enjoying my orange, the flavor, the texture, everything. Outdoors, I'm feeling the wind hit me. Some people kicking the soccer ball around here, I'm listening to the sounds of some birds and the wind through the trees. And you know what? Out of all of this, I'm into the moment. Not once did I think about that bill I had to pay. Not once did I think about, oh, I gotta go to work tomorrow. or I have this project, or my kids need to go to school, and just all kinds of stuff going on. House is dirty. Hey, you just need time to actually truly disconnect, and that's what you're doing. That's what I'm doing. Keep it simple. Little things like this doesn't cost money. You don't have to go to counseling. Take these times out here. But if you go off to your little special areas, your parks, whatever, right? You're constantly thinking and you're still being engaged with stuff at your house or what you're trying to get away from. I know it's hard, but you're not resting. You are not relaxing. And that's why you still feel tired, even though you are resting. And after you get up, you're like, I still feel exhausted. So nothing is wrong with you mentally, physically. It's just your brain here is constantly on overdrive. You got to disconnect. So these are just some ways that I use to disconnect. All right, let's get on that apple. All right, got my apple. I can't eat apples due to my front teeth. I can't bite down on those, and I didn't bring a knife. But again, another part of just making sure you relax and fully recharge is you need to stop the decisioning. Okay? Stop making decisions. Stop overcomplicating things. You just got to think, hey, whatever comes to mind. I mean, who gives a shit? So what am I going to do with this apple? I see a rock on the ground. This is what we're going to do. It's split. There we go. Oh well. I'm not going to stress about it. There you go. Yeah, I lost one, but I still have this. That's a good apple. There's some dirt on it. Who cares? Like I said, who gives a shit? Food is such a great escape. Simple things. You just start focusing on the flavor, the texture. And then you're looking at all the pretty sights around you. Yeah, that's nice. Just right there. Just right there. I wasn't thinking about all the stuff that I have to do when I go back to work this week. Well, I just mentioned it now for the video, but now, okay. But you know what? I'm going to focus on this apple. That is nice. It's tangy, juicy. So good. Oh, what I do with the core. This is what I do. I mean, again, you give a shit. You can call the cops on me. I don't care. It's just an apple. I don't sweat the small shit. All right, let's get some water. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna walk back up to my house. But right now the sun's shining on my face. And it feels so nice. So I'm just gonna sit here. You can't see me if I'm doing that, huh? Close my eyes. Okay, let's go. There you have it. A way to disconnect. Simple. It's effective though. But you want to find what works for you. But it doesn't do you any good if your brain's constantly scrambling and thinking about things while you're out here. So you want to find little tasks that help you disconnect. And if you focus on those little moments there, you'll disconnect from thinking. And before you realize it, subconsciously, I mean, you're just going to feel more rested because your brain's not on overdrive. That's why like being out in nature is actually so nice, because it's foreign. Most of us these days, people, we live in suburban city environments just because we need to pay the bills. But when we go out, stuff like this, it's different. It's quieter. And it does ease stress, right? When I talk about depth perception, focus down on the horizon, how far away things are. And if you focus on things that you normally don't focus on, like wind through the trees, you'll feel more relaxed. And it just takes that little bit to take that light bulb in your head and dim it. Oof. Dim it down, and then you can shine it bright again. But if it's on bright all the time, you have a chance of burning out. And we don't want that. Okay, Scott from Scott's Top Tips. We'll see you in the next video.